Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the game accepts custom resolutions. Many modern engines do. Once done, back up the config file and registry keys so you can revert. This prevents data loss. Next, open the game's installation folder or Steam user cug folder and locate the file that holds display settings. Make sure to note your monitor's native width and height and the exact target width times height you want, because precision prevents stretching and ensures correct aspect ratio. You now edit the configuration directly. Open the file with a text editor running as administrator so changes stick. Then replace the resolution lines with your target width and height and adjust window mode or full screen flags. This forces the engine to use your values. Once saved, relaunch the game to test. If the game auto-rewrites the file, set the file attribute to read-only or use a launch parameter to lock settings, because that prevents the game from reverting your custom values. You finish by verifying the gameplay experience. Check UI scaling, field of view, and any stretching or black bars. If something breaks, revert to the backup config you saved and remove read-only so the game can update normally. Make sure to update GPU drivers and try official launch arguments like W and H or windowed to diagnose issues. If persistent problems occur, restoring the original file and reapplying changes step by step isolates the exact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.